Dan Deming of KKM Financial joins us now. And Dan, we have not seen big moves in the market, and now we are going into this holiday week with the market closed on Memorial Day. So what do you suspect is in the cards for us here?
Well, the anticipation, when you look at how the market's pricing it, is that it anticipates a fairly quiet week. When you see how the market closed last week, it appears that the expectations are for a fairly muted week this week as well.
So a muted week, but the Russell, the Russell
strong.
2000, that big run up.
Strong, yeah, and so you continue to see that to push to new all-time highs, even though we saw some of the other major averages waffle a little bit last week. But yeah, I mean, the trends are in place for the small caps to continue to benefit. And you look at the stronger dollar, that's helping the small caps.
How closely will you be watching oil this week?
Well, that's significant, and particularly as we continue to ramp up the summer driving season. And I think the one thing that you have to look at, not only the price of oil, but when you look at the way gasoline's being priced into the summer, and RBOB is one thing that we watch, and that's the RBOB. If you just look it up, that's the actual futures on gasoline, near all-time highs for the last several years. And with that, we're seeing the problems is that, Angie, is the refining issues that these oil refiners are having. They're at full capacity here in the United States, and they can't refine the oil fast enough to turn it into gas. So therefore, you're seeing the demand continue to push those prices higher.
And then the Treasury yield.
Treasury yield, yep, firmly over 3% in that 10-year. We saw a significant bump up last week, and yeah, that's another talking point. It is interesting. The market's still digesting that, and I think that's part of the reason why we saw a little bit of a governor on the equity markets last week outside of the Russell, and we'll see if that theme continues this week as well.
Have a good trading week.
All right, thanks for having me.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show, and don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.